You've heard about drugs that can regrow teeth, but that is just the beginning. The global race to cure aging, repair organs, and heal permanent damage is happening now, and it is reshaping what we think the human body is capable of. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we look beyond dental breakthroughs and dive into the three most revolutionary areas of regenerative medicine, a field aiming not just to treat disease, but to completely reverse damage using our own biology. 1. 3D bioprinting. Organs on demand. Imagine a future where organ transplant lists are obsolete. That is the promise of 3D bioprinting. Unlike conventional 3D printing that uses plastics, bioprinters use a special biological ink made of living cells, known as bioink. Using a patient's own stem cells, researchers can print scaffolds and tissue structures layer by layer. This has already led to the successful printing of simple tissues like skin grafts, cartilage, and even functional heart tissue outside the body. The immediate goal is creating organoids, miniature functional organs like tiny kidneys or livers, for use in drug testing, eliminating the need for some animal trials. The ultimate long-term vision? Printing fully viable, complex human organs for transplantation. 2. Real-time DNA repair. Imaging, aging, cancer, and environmental damage all start with one thing: damaged DNA. For decades, scientists could only take snapshots of this damage. But now, a major breakthrough allows them to film the entire repair process in real time inside living cells. Researchers at institutions like Utrecht University developed a fluorescent sensor that attaches a gentle, temporary tag to damaged DNA. This lights up the damage site without blocking the cell's natural repair machinery. This powerful tool gives us continuous, cinematic footage of life repairing itself. It provides unprecedented insight into why some repair proteins arrive quickly, why others fail, and how cancer drugs affect the process. This knowledge is fundamental to truly reversing aging and engineering more effective cancer treatments. 3. Stem cell scaffolds. Healing without transplants. The third pillar involves biomaterial scaffolds. These are advanced, biodegradable materials, often hydrogels or polymers, that are implanted into a damaged area, such as a heart after a heart attack, or a knee with worn cartilage. The scaffold acts as a temporary home, attracting the body's own stem cells to the site. It tells those cells precisely which type of tissue to become, be it new cartilage, muscle fiber, or bone, then slowly dissolves, leaving behind only the regenerated tissue. This is the true meaning of regeneration, coaxing the body to heal itself. From printing new organs to witnessing the instant repair of our genetic code, regenerative medicine is moving us into an era where damage is temporary and renewal is the future of human health. If you want to keep up with the breakthroughs that are changing our lives, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.